it's I was going to say it's me, and if I was going to say this, I should say this, and I said this. I was expecting from those childs to say something me, that they could say something me, but they didn't say anything, and I thank you them. Sometimes it happens that these childs of our humans want to say something, and then they said what sometimes feel me like that, but no, they didn't say, and I thank you them for saying nothing. I'm just I'm just prioritizing my woe. I am prioritizing my comfort zone. It's good thing. It's good thing. But okay, I was standing still and looking to my shadow. In front of me, I have two my shadows, and they are doing the same as I'm doing. Yes, I feel like those childs, I mean, those are humans childs were talking to me, but they didn't, and they were minding their own business, and they have gone there where they wanted to go. In front of me, I saw a bicyclist. That bicyclist is going somewhere, and I have no clarity about his destination, because I don't know about that person. I don't know about that respectable person, that where he was going and where from that person. So this was the thing. I was thinking that if I have to wait for 15 minutes, then I should do this, and I started this. Now it is like, last night I did it in the end, and there was much dark. So today I feel I should do it very early, and now you guys can see that there is better light. I mean, not every day, but if I talk about my past someday, it's okay. But I shouldn't talk about every day. I mean, I can talk about it every day, but it should be proper. Like if I will tell you something that is proper in the proper English, that you guys can get it what I'm saying. I was just saying this. I hope you get it. A few days ago, I need to remember what I did. I need to remember what I did few days ago. Let me remember in the background. Guys, I couldn't remember much what I did in the past 3 days. Do you guys want me to continue? I mean, you can see that it is very in the dark, and I'm not making these vlogs of that type. I mean, I don't even think myself that these vlogs are interesting. So, what do you guys want? I mean, what do you want? Let me know in the detail. I know you guys are not watching because views are like that. But if someone is watching, please let me know what are that person's thoughts. I'm the person who, if I'm standing here, I will stay here. I mean, I should move, I should explore for some other things. It could happen that if I go to any another place, that place will like... Guys, I was talking about that these vlogs are not interesting. I know about it. But with the practice, with the struggle, it happens like someday I will make what you guys want. I I was saying I have no clarity whether I am prioritizing my comfort zone or not because I did much better last day. I prioritized my comfort zone. I did things. I explored things, but maximum I prioritize my comfort zone. But I today I'm using much smartphone.